Here we will discuss various attributes such as faces, edges and net of a triangular prism. So this is a triangular prism where its base is a triangle. So this is the base, and throughout the whole height, this is the height. Throughout the whole height, it always maintains a triangular cross section. So for a triangular prism, each of this side, for any prism, each of this side is called its faces. That is, this two-dimensional plane, which is part of a prism, is called face. And these connecting lines, which are exposed outside, is called edges. Now, for a triangular prism, its base is one triangle. So one face, this side one face is triangle, and its opposite, since it mentions same cross section throughout the whole height, there will be another face, triangular face, at its opposite. So this is one face triangular, this is another face triangular. So for a triangular prism, there will be two triangular faces. And this, across this height, and with each of the sides of the triangular base, there is one face which is a rectangular face. So for example, with this A1 and this height, this front face, this face is a rectangular face. Similarly, with this side A2 and throughout this height, there is another rectangular face, this one. Similarly, with this side A3 of this triangular base A3 and this height, this blue face, that is another rectangular face. So there will be three sides in this base. So with this height, these three sides of the base will make three rectangular faces. So the triangular prism got three rectangular faces. So altogether there are 5 faces in a triangular prism. Among them, 2 are triangular and 3 are rectangular faces. Now the edges, these corner lines are called edges. So here in this, with this base, there is 1, 2, 3. Opposite side there is 1, 2, 3, 6, and on top 1, across height 1, across height another 1, across height another 1. So this side 3 edges, this side 3 edges, and across the height there are 3 edges. So 3, 3 and these 3, there are altogether 9 edges. Now let us draw the net for this triangular prism. Net of a 3D object is its two-dimensional representation of all its faces and their appropriate connectivity. So for example, if we name this A, B, this blue face A, B, C and D, then A, B, C, D, this blue face is shown here. So this A point is between with A2. So this is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. So this ABCD, this blue face is shown here, and from this A, another face is started, is this triangular face. AB is the A3, AB, this is A3, and with A, to say this, if we name this one as X and this one as Y, then with AB, then AX and BX, this AB and X, this triangular face, so this is X, and from A to X, this side length is A2, and from B to X, this side length is A1, B to X, this side length is A1. So that is how this ABX, this face is ABX, this face. Similarly with CD, this side CY is BX, so that is A1, and DY is also AX, that is A2. So from D to Y, D2, this is Y, A1, and C to Y, A1, sorry, this is A2, D2Y A2, and C to Y A1. With this Y and CD another triangular face. This triangular face is here. Similarly, with AD, A to D, N, X and Y, A2 and A2. So this is X and this is Y. A to X and D to Y, D to Y, they makes a rectangular face where this side is H, that means this side is H, this side is H, this side is H, and this is A2, this is also A2. So this is one rectangular face. And with this BC, here one A1 and A1. So this is A1, this is A1. That makes X and Y, X and Y. That makes this rectangular face. So this two-dimensional drawing represents all the faces and their appropriate connectivity in the common edges. So this is called the net of this 3D object. And if we fold it, say if we fold this face on the top and this face on the top and this face at the side, then we can get back this 3D object. So that means we can think of that if we cut a paper in this way and fold them, we can make a 3D triangular prism. So this is its net. So in summary, we will be needing these nets to calculate surface area of a triangular prism. So in summary, a triangular prism got 2 triangular face and 3 rectangular faces, and this will be their dimensions corresponding to the given solid. Let us draw the net of this triangular prism. So here in this triangular prism, this triangular face, this is one triangular face, and there is another triangular face at the back. For 3D object, we can't see everything. So in this triangular face, this edge is 50 millimeter, and these two edges are equal, and each of them are 60 millimeter. So to draw this net, let's start with this triangular face. So if we draw this triangle first, where these two arms are equal, and this is the 50, this is our 50 millimeter edge, and these two we took in this side, these are equal and 60 millimeter. So now with this 50 millimeter edge, with across this height there is a rectangular, if we connect it, there is a rectangular face. So if we draw that rectangular face here, this is that rectangular face with height 120 millimeter. So this length is 120 millimeter, and opposite side there is another triangular face of similar kinds of this. So if we draw that triangular face, then this one is 50 millimeter, and these two are this one and these ones are equal. So this will be 60 millimeter. So we draw two triangular face and one rectangular face. Now we need to draw this side face. So this one side face, its one side is 60 millimeter, another side is across the height 120 millimeter. So this side is 60 millimeter equal to this, and this side is 120 millimeter. So all these sides are 120 millimeter, and another face is this side, which is also 60 millimeter and across 120 millimeter. So it will be, so these sides are equal. So all 60 millimeter, and this length, all are 120 millimeter. So this is the net of this 3D as triangular prism. So this is the final drawing for the net of this triangular prism, where this dimension is this one 50, and these two dimensions are 60, as well as this rectangular face got 160 millimeter edge and another 120 millimeter, 60 millimeter and 120 millimeter. All these are 120 millimeter. All these faces edges are 60 millimeter. So this is the net for this triangular prism.